Hello, welcome to our channel. On today's video tutorial, I'll show you how you can change the color of your WhatsApp. You can try different colors, there are lots of options. So let's get started. Open your WhatsApp application and then you need to go through the settings. On the top right, tap on that three dotted line and then tap on the settings. Alright, so let's get to the chat option, which is the second one. Then let's go to the wallpaper. Okay, so the second one is solid color, right? From here you can change it to different colors. So these are the options. If I tap the first one and if I scroll right, and these are the different options, right? So I will change with one and I will change, let's try this one. Okay, I just set it my color. Let's get back. As you can see, it's changed, right? Alright, so let's get back and let's change again settings, then chat, then wallpaper, and then solid colors. Okay, so now I would like to go with something little light. So I would like to pick this one and I'll make it set. Okay, let's get back and let's see. Okay, now it's changed. So that's how you can change the different color on your WhatsApp account. Thank you so much for watching, guys.